Hey girlies, come shop with me for some new small business supplies. First, we're gonna do some shopping on Amazon, and then we're gonna go in store to my local Dollar Tree and see what they have in stock. I want to recover my desk. My desk is currently black, and I want it to be white or a brighter color so that in my videos and my pictures, it's not too dark, but it's a nice, bright background. So I'm looking at some peel and stick wallpaper or peel and stick contact paper. They have this white one for $4.99 for 118 inches by 17.7 inches. I'll have to measure my desk to see how long, to see the dimensions of my desk to see how many I would need. Because it is only $4.99 a roll, I'd rather go ahead and order it all at once so I can do the project in one go. The next thing, I'm too lazy to make any branded stickers for my boutique right now, so I'm just gonna order this 120 pieces from Amazon for $4.99. I've also been wanting a new phone case for this phone. Right now I have just a clear case on it. When I take this case off, I think I'm going to bedazzle it so that I can have a bedazzled phone case to showcase, what I do, because I do offer junk cases on my website as well. So I do want a regular phone case. This is an iPhone 13 Pro. So this case, it's a chalk pink color and it's $9.99, and it comes with a little protector for your camera. I might get that. I'm just gonna add it to cart for now. They have a 15% off coupon. It's enticing me to go ahead and get it, but I'm just gonna add it to cart for right now. I also want to start making cup toppers for Stanley Cup, that go on the top of the lid. So I'm thinking about doing them in resin, and they have the silicone molds for it for 16 different styles, and they have it for $12.31 right now, and I can get it overnight as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and order that because that is a new product that I'm wanting to start offering. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that because I can make more money. Now I also wanted this pink rolling cart, and I sent that to my boyfriend to get it for my birthday, and he got it for me. So let me show you my new pink rolling cart. It was $70 and I use it pretty much all day, every day. This is my pink rolling cart from Amazon. It has the little stair climber feet on it, and it's completely collapsible. I don't collapse it because I leave all of this stuff in here. So this is like my get ready with me bag. I have makeup and hair ties and stuff like that in here. And then I have my purse. I keep a bottle of water. This is my electronics bag. I usually have my iPad, my laptop, and any chargers and things inside of this bag. Inside of here, I'd say it has 360 motion. It's so easy to turn around, and to collapse it, you just push this to the unlock, and then it'll start folding in, and you can just fold it up. And I just use it to transport everything that I use. Literally everything that I use on a daily basis, I transport in this. So cool. You can use it as a little stool if you need to. Sometimes I prop my feet up on it, edit my content and stuff. Love this thing. Love this thing. I also want to start doing sublimation mugs, so I'm going to find just an affordable option of sublimation mugs. This looks perfect. $27.99 for an 11-ounce set of 12. They're perfect. They're ceramic sublimation mugs, and there's a 5% off coupon, so I'm going to add that to my cart. I'm going to start with the 11 ounces, but they do also have the 15 ounce. So I'm just going to save that for later. I also want to start doing sublimation car coasters. So I'm going to grab this 30-piece set. So it's 60 total. 30-piece set for $9.49. And I'm just going to add that to my cart. I also need to get some more poly mailers. I think I want to get a new design. These cow print ones are really sticking out to me. They're 10 by 13. They're by the same brand that I get my pink ones from, if I can show you. These are the ones that I currently use, but I think I want to get a different design. I do like the pink hearts though, so I might just restock the pink hearts. Or do I get the cow print? I'm gonna just get the pink hearts because that's what I've been using. So the next place that I'm going to go is going to be the Dollar Tree. I seen that they had some grass rolls and I want to make a grass backdrop. I'm gonna go see if they have that so that I can do that project. So I'm going to wait for all of this stuff to come in and I will do a haul video just for you guys. If there's any videos that you'd like to see from me, drop a comment down below. I can't wait to use all of this in my small business, and I can't wait for you to come behind the scenes with me to see how I use each of these items that I'm ordering. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes, be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at shop.daisie. And you can also join our email newsletter list, Daisie Diaries, over on my website, shopdaisie.com. See you guys in the next video.